Good morning, class 6. We were reading chapter 6, How Things Change. In this chapter, we have seen some examples of changes. We have seen reversible change, in which we have seen activity 6.1 and 6.2. Now in this class, we are going to perform activity 6.3, 6.4 and 6.5. So students, open page number 69 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Now I am going to read activity 6.3. To perform this activity, you have an aim to observe the reversible change of dissolving sugar in water and then separating sugar from water. So to perform this activity, you have a procedure. First, you have to take a spoonful of sugar. After it, you have to dissolve it in a beaker containing 100 milliliter of water. Now observe what happens. You will get a mixture of sugar and water. Now you have to heat the mixture or solution of sugar. Observe what happens. You will observe that slowly the water evaporates and sugar is left at the bottom. So, in this activity, you found that when sugar is dissolved in water, sugar mixes well in water and the taste of water becomes sweet. But when we heat this sugar containing water, water evaporates and sugar remains. That is to say, even after dissolving the sugar in water, we can get the sugar in its old stage. Is that clear? Now we are going to perform activity 6.4. To perform this activity, we have an aim to observe the reversible change of folding and unfolding of paper. So first you have to take a sheet of paper and fold it into the shape of an aeroplane like this. You have changed the shape of the paper. Now you have to unfold the paper. After it, you will get the paper back in its original shape. So, in this activity, we have seen that if an paper is made by folding an aeroplane, then by unfolding this paper, we will get the paper in its original shape. Now we are going to understand about fast changes. Changes that occur within a few seconds. Example, burning of paper and dissolving salt in water are called fast changes. Okay, so we have understood about fast changes, that changes that do not take much time to happen or changes that take place in a few seconds are called fast changes, such as dissolving salt in water, burning of paper. Now we are going to understand about the slow change. Changes that take a long time to occur, that is maybe a few minutes, hours or months to occur, such as boiling of egg, changing of day into night, curding of milk and rusting of iron are termed as slow changes. So we have understood about slow changes, that changes that take a lot of time to happen, meaning it can take a few minutes, a few hours, and from some days to months or even years are called slow changes. For example, boiling of egg, changing of day into night, curding of milk and rusting of iron. So students, that's all for today. In the next class we will see activity 6.5. So thank you class.